Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I'm back real quick, guys, just to show you guys proof that CloudPhone does pay. I've only been an affiliate for, maybe 48 hours. I did get a sign up. I'm going to show you proof and how it looks. And that way you can see that this thing works, okay? But before I do that, let me show you the plans real quick for CloudPhone. I think I said iCloud. I'm sorry. CloudPhone, because I have the iPhone. CloudPhone, guys. Pick one of these services. Get you an 800 number or a local number. Get you a virtual phone system that you literally can walk around with on your actual cell phone, your smartphone, and carry your business everywhere you go. Forward your calls, have extensions, have a virtual receptionist, okay? 3 plans right here, guys. Pick one. I have the $34.99 plan. I have 3 numbers and 6 extensions. This is a great service, unlimited talk and text, even on an 800 number. I have an 800 number, and I can literally text, talk, everything from that same phone number. Receive incoming calls and make outbound calls, okay? So, I'm going to flip over real quick just to show you guys the company pays. This is a real company. This is a real business, okay? I sent out some emails. I'm getting ready to do a, a campaign for this and get some more signups. But right here, you see my name right here in the right. Okay. 48 hours. I've been in here. I don't know why I'm saying 3 clicks. I had so many clicks. I don't know why that. I don't think that's accurate. But anyway, right here, the person, they signed up for the $11.99 subscription plan, and I'm getting $90. Okay, so this is real. Okay, $11.99, $90. Okay, but it's going to take the company about 7 months to recoup that money. So you plan on staying with this service. Okay, this is not just a quick get money in and then cancel type of deal. I want people that's going to actually keep their service. Okay, at least a year, guys. I mean, let's just be honest. We want the company to recoup their costs by paying us an advance commission. Okay, so pick one of these, get started. I'm going to put the link below. I'm working with someone that's creating a marketing system for this. I'm right now using the Conversion Pros. I'm going to put that link below so you can see how that funnel's set up. But I'm also working with someone on another marketing system that they're putting together so we can have this flow very smoothly when you sign up. All right, so click the link, get started, join the channel, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, guys. All right, we'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.